Did you know that the Great Wall of China was not actually that great? Ancient cities are super fun. Like, did you know that the ancient Greek city of Delphi was so into partying that they had a special police force to keep the revelers in line? And the only way to get into the city was through a giant inflatable tunnel. Or how about the time that Rome was almost destroyed by a meteor? It was so big that it left a crater in the ground, which is still there to this day. But my favorite has got to be the ancient Egyptian city of Luxor, where archaeologists recently found a secret tunnel that leads to a hidden chamber. What's in the chamber? Nobody knows. It's too dangerous to open because it's filled with booby traps.